Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an alarm via the Gemini app on your mobile and also the desktop web version. Although this one requires a workaround, but don't worry, I'm going to cover that. But let's talk about the mobile app version because this one is a lot simpler. So to create an alarm via the Gemini app, you can just open the app on your mobile phone, or you can also just trigger Gemini by pressing and holding the home key on your smartphone or some other keys that you set up, or you can also just call Hey Google and it will open the Gemini app. So in this case, I'm going to be using just the default way, which is just by opening the Gemini app via my smartphone. And then I'm going to tell this AI that, hey, I want you to wake me up at this time. So I'm going to tell it to wake me up, or you can use any other wording. So basically you want to set up an alarm. So wake me up in the next minute, or you know what, I'm going to specify the time. Wake me up in 17:50. So it's just about 1 minute from now, actually less than 1 minute from now. Wake me up in 17:50, and I'm going to send a message. Just wait for it. It will set up an alarm clock for that time. So it is only 1 minute from now. It's very close. So here, as you can see, it can utilize the alarm app on your smartphone. But if you're using the same prompt, which is this one, on the desktop version, it will be rejected. It's not going to work. It will tell you this answer as a large language model, I cannot do that, etc. But it is not possible. You need a different workaround or different way to set up an alarm via the desktop web version. Okay, it's almost 5:50 and the alarm will trigger any second now. All right, so that was the alarm. I'm going to stop it. So that's how you can do it on the mobile app version. How about on the desktop version? It's gonna be a bit tricky. So there are two ways where you can create alarms via the desktop version of Gemini. So first, we can utilize the Google Task feature in Gemini. So Google Task is, well, it's a task. It is a feature to create a reminder, but it is not alarm. It is different. It can only create a simple noise, but again, later there's a way to make the notification to be longer, so it can act as an alarm in a traditional fashion. Now, to create alarm, you can use a prompt like this: remind me, or create task. It doesn't matter what keyword you're using. You can use the word reminder, or you can create the words of creating tasks. It doesn't matter. In this case, I'm going to create a task to wake me up, let's say in 17:52, and can send a message. Okay, we'll trigger Google Task, but there is actually a way to make the task to appear multiple times every single minute. So you can create another task, or you can request this, like create task to wake me up in 17:52, and then 17:53, and then 17:54. So every single minute there's going to be a task. Okay, do you want to do them? Yes, please. Send a message and it will create multiple tasks. There you go. So here, if I open my smartphone, you'll see the notification will appear any second now. There you go. But it is very quick. But fortunately, because we have created another task, a new set of tasks, it will give you every notification every single minute. So that's one workaround, but honestly, it's not perfect because the noise is only trigger once. The audio noise will only happen once, and then that's about it. So there's actually a workaround where you can make the audio ringtone to play like an alarm. So let me show you how you can do it. But first, let me just cancel all those tasks. Let's go to Google Tasks first. Basically, we want to change the ringtone into something that resembles a proper alarm. Okay, it doesn't open. Let me open again. Okay, there you go. There's this. I'm going to delete all of them. Now, let's open your phone. Okay, let me just complete everything. Now let's open the Google Calendar app. Google Calendar, it's gonna be somewhere in here. Okay, Google Calendar. Okay, got it. Go to this menu and then navigate to settings and then go to tasks. Oh, sorry about that, my bad, not tasks. Go to general and then you can go to task notifications right here. And then you want to change the sound. The audio was so short, we want to make it longer. So navigate to sound and I want to select my own sound. So let's go to my sounds and I'm going to add my own audio that I have downloaded right here. So there is this alarm sound that I'm going to select. Okay, it sounded like that. Okay, let's click save. So if I'm creating, let's say, a task via my Gemini desktop, let's say I'm going to create, let's say, wake me up or create task to wake me up in 17, let's say 55, because it is only about 30 seconds from now. 17:55, send a message. I've created a task to wake you up at 5:55 p.m. today. So let's go back to this. And now it's just only 15 seconds from now, the alarm will trigger and you'll see that it's going to play a very long audio, which is the audio that I just select as the ringtone for the task. It will appear in 3, 2, and 1. Or maybe not. Okay, it's not giving any sound for some reason. Let me check it again. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's much longer and much louder. So that's basically how you can do it, how you can create alarms via the Gemini mobile and also the desktop version. The desktop version is a bit tricky, but as you can see, it is very much doable. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.